April
Did you do
28th.
one like this?
A picture? Yeah, I did. I think. And I did one like. I can do more pictures after shotgun too.
Like you're in a just channel hardcore band.
April 28th, I have a can of hite. It's a Korean beer. Quite tasty. I got a 6-pack. Been drinking most of them. I'm going to shotgun this one in front of my wall of cans. Wait.